In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create circular text in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful technique if you want to make logos, badges, badge-style designs, social graphics, or any layout where text needs to wrap into a curve instead of sitting in a straight line. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and once you know where to find the right plugin, you can do it in seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Figma tips and design tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your Figma file and go to your design. Select the text box that you want to make circular. This can be any text layer you've already typed out, whether it's a word, a phrase, or a full line of text. Once the text box is selected, look at the bottom toolbar and click Actions. From there, go to Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type Arc, then search for the Arc plugin and run it. This plugin is what will let you bend your text into a circular shape, so make sure you're using the correct one before moving forward. After the plugin opens, you'll see a slider that controls the curve direction and intensity. If you drag the slider down, the text box will curve in a down to up manner. This is great when you want the text to wrap along the bottom of a circle or arc upward. If you drag the slider up, the text box will curve in an up to down manner. This is useful when you want the text to arc across the top of a circle or bend downward. Take a moment to adjust the slider until the curve looks right for your design. You can keep fine-tuning it until the text sits perfectly in a circular shape. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Apply to confirm the effect. At that point, your straight text has now been converted into circular text inside Figma, and you can continue designing around it as needed. That's really all there is to it. A simple plugin, a quick adjustment, and your text is now styled for logos, poster designs, and creative branding work. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.